Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to vector text in Inkscape. It may be really useful function if you want to edit your text. Okay, so if we want to do it, we need to move our cursor to the left panel, and here on tools you can select this option, text tool, create and edit text objects. We need to select this one option, and after that we need to click somewhere here and we need to type any text. So for example, I will type here simple text. Okay, our text has been successfully created here. Maybe I will change the font size to be more clear for you. I will increase it to 56. Okay, and now when our text has been successfully created here, so one thing we need to do now is go to the upper side and click here on path. Then you need to select this one option, object to path. Of course, you can use this shortcut, Shift Ctrl C if you want, but I will click on this option. And now when we did it, we need to go again to the left panel tool, but now we will choose this one option, Node tool, because it will let us to edit paths by nodes. So I click on this option, and now like you see, nodes have been successfully displayed here. We can zoom in this text, and now this text is vectorized and we can easily edit this text. So for example, I will move this node to the left down corner, maybe something like that. Or maybe I will change this one node to maybe something like that. And like you see, it is really easy to edit this text if you want. Okay, so it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's everything for today. Thank you for watching.